Hello, good morning. This is the answer about the Aswan Dam problem about energy. Just a satellite image just to introduce the subject, the context, if you want. You have here the Nile River, you have a dam here, and you have a Nasser Lake here. The power plant is just there. You go to the Mediterranean Sea and the Nubian country, there in the south. Remember the problems. The question. You have three questions. We want to learn, to calculate which area we need to replace the dam, the production of the dam about electricity in 1 year by solar cell, which the area we need. And in the second question, what is the price if we want to build it? And we compare with the individual house, if we need production in individual house. With solar panels, you have some indication here. And last question, which is the power of the dam in watt? To answer to the first question, we want to replace the dam by solar cells. But which is the area we need about solar cells? To answer, we need to know 1 meter square can produce in 1 year how many electricity. The electricity we can produce, the energy is the power multiplied by the time. Which power we have with solar cell? Solar cell have an efficiency about 15% to transform light in electricity. How many light we receive? Which is the power of light? The power of a light is 900 watts. We need to transform 900 watts in kilowatt. The answer is 0.9. The efficiency to transform the light in electricity, 15%. During how many times we work? 1 year. But in 1 year, you have only 290 days of light. We transform the day in hour, we multiply it by 24, and the answer is 1 meter square of solar cells produce in 1 year this number of kilowatt hour. To calculate the area is very simple. In 1 year, the dam produces this energy. We need how many kilometers? How many meter square of solar cells? We just divide this number by the production of 1 meter square. You have this answer, enormous. Second question. If we want to produce with solar cells, which is the cost? We compare with the cost of the individual house. In an individual house, if we want to produce this number of kilowatt hour in 1 year, we need 14,000 euro. Of course, it is the price for the individual house. To produce this number, we need 14,000 euro. To produce this number, it is the dam production, the cost is fantastic, enormous. Is it very expensive? Just if we compare with the American Nobel Prize, who say, Joseph Stiglitz say, the Iroquois the cost of the Iraq war for the American is $3,000 billion, and the cost of the dam is only this number of billions. It's not so expensive if we compare with the war. If you want to calculate the power of a dam, we use the same formula. Energy is the power multiplied by the time. Thus, the power is the energy divided by the time. The power is the energy. The energy in 1 year is this number. If we divide by the time, in 1 year you have this number of days, and in a day you have this number of hours. The answer is that. Thus it is the same as a nuclear power plant. It is the same number. Bye.